What's going on, my J-Hen crew? This is J-Hen with J-Hen Travel and Life, and I'm coming to you guys with another unboxing video and review. Let's go and check it out. All right, you guys, you know how we do it here on this channel. We do a little bit of travel, we do a little bit of life, as well as we do unboxings from time to time. Oh man, I thought this was gonna be inside a box, but it's not even inside another box. It's like, oh shoot, what I ordered is just right here in the open. So I ordered this tree trimmer, wedge trimmer here. I ordered this off of Amazon. I'll be leaving the links down in the description down below. And I thought it would have been like another box inside of here, but this is the main piece that you can see right here. This is what I ordered, y'all. Ordered this right here, this bad boy off Amazon. Check it out, check it out. This is battery operated. I guess, you know, it's rechargeable and things like that. So I did purchase this because it was, you know, wireless and chargeable. So I don't have to worry about no cords at all. So it is cordless, but what do they got in here? So let me show y'all what it all came in the box here. So we got this right here. I'm guessing this must be a cover to go over it. So we had this down in the box, so I guess that's a cover. It pretty much goes over it to protect the blades there. So we got these two items were in the box. That's about it. And then we had these two boxes right here were inside of there, which we're about to open up. And then they got the nice instruction manual, because, you know, what could you do without the instructions? So let's see, what do we have here? Okay, this is actually the plug. Let's take a look to see how long this is. The cord is a pretty nice length. Once you plug up the battery to be charged, the battery does have a red indicator light to let you know that it needs to be charged, and then it will turn green once it is fully charged. There are grips on the bottom of the blade and the battery, so it just allows easy access to pull out the battery. And like I said, you have to pull the battery out to actually charge it, and it gives you access just like that. So the trimmer does come with two blades. One blade, which is a smaller blade, is designed for cutting grass, and the long blade is designed for, you know, doing more trimming and cutting the shrubs. Both blades easily attach and detach from the trimmer, as well as Amazon has replacement blades that you can order in both sizes. So we're going to take a look and see what it was like for me using this device for the first time. So right now I'm using the longer blade, and what I found out is that even though the branches or the stems on this bush are not that thick, I did have to use like a chopping mechanism to actually chop some of the stems. And as you can see, like right there, that stem is not that thick, but look, it just wouldn't cut it right there. Normally I had to like chop for it to actually cut, and then it's just some where it just wouldn't work out and just wouldn't chop and cut them at all. So it does work really well for some of the thin branches, very thin stems, but if it's even a little thickness to it, it's gonna take some extra work to try to chop it or cut it, or you may just have to use your regular handheld device to cut it, or get another Hedge trimmer. So we'll keep going here, showing you some more of my results and what it was like for me using this device. after finishing in the front, I decided to come in the back because again, I have this tree from the neighbor's yard that's hanging over into my yard. The branches are not that thick, so I figured I'd give it a try. As you can see, I'm still using that same chopping motion in some points just to actually cut through the branches. But you see, I'm still getting stuck there, whereas I thought it would just be an easy process of just, you know, using it quick, chopping the tree down, being done in no time. But it is getting the job done. As you guys could see there, it's just taking a little bit of time because the branches are just a little, they're not thick, but they're a little too thick for this hedge trimmer that I have here. But it is getting the job done. There I am again using like the chopping mechanism, pulling the branch and then cutting it, as that does work a little bit when the branches do get stuck in the blade and cause it to stop. As you can see, it hasn't actually stopped working yet how I was doing in the front, because I am using that chopping mechanism, as well as for some of the branches I did hold the branch and then do the chopping mechanism. So it's getting the job done there for the most part. Well, I was able to get my yard work done using this hedge trimmer for the most part, even though I had to bring out my manual trimmer. I just had to use a few of my hacks with using that chopping motion, realizing that it can't cut branches that are too thick. This trimmer is actually very light. It's only about 2 pounds, so it is very lightweight, easy to take on the go with you. There's no cord, so you don't have to worry about that. It did stay charged up for the length of time that I was outside. I probably was outside almost an hour, I think.